Just check this out.
Right now at Sullivan Brothers Lincoln Mercury, save thousands with 0% financing available. Plus, free Moon and Tunes package on Mercury Milan or Mercury Mariner with a no-charge moonroof, 6-disc CD changer, and Sirius satellite radio.
All the extras you want, but without the extra cost.
You will love this green '02 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine. Enjoy an impressive 29 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like OnStar communication system, side airbag system, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, power steering, power windows, rear spoiler, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this '02 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. See us at Sullivan Brothers Lincoln Merc today.
Sullivan Brothers Lincoln Mercury, Exit 8, where the deals are great.